When drawing lines with a keyboard and pointer, endpoints remain active, so you can easily draw connecting lines. To draw a line, go to Sketch and then select Line. Click to add an initial endpoint, and then move your pointer to create the line. Then, click again to finalize the line. To draw connecting lines, continue to click and move your pointer to add more endpoints. To finish drawing lines, press Escape or Backspace to cancel an active endpoint, or press Enter to set your final endpoint. To finish, select Exit Sketching. In design history, sketches you subsequently create on the same plane generate a single step in the History sidebar. To view or refine history parameters for a specific sketch step, find the step for your sketch action and open the expandable card. From there, you can modify the plane and projection parameters for your sketch. To change the plane where you want your sketch to be, click or tap, edit or select the side plane. Choose a new plane or face and then select Done to finish. If you have existing linked projections on your sketch, indicated in purple, you will find a summary of the items below the projection parameter. To edit the projections on your sketch, click Edit and then select or deselect the items you want to include or exclude. To finish, select Done. To learn more about projections and the Project tool, visit our Project video.